down, I know you got me, baby.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. By the way, I am Rofajin and Pipito, BSBA HRM 2. So today's video, I would like you to join me to interview some students in my school.
By the way, good afternoon. I'm Steven M. Sabato. I am from the BSL Social Studies. I am a third year student.
So now, as a consumer, which one of social media,
ang cellphone nga
For
recording
me,
ipadol sa
the
pagpapakasala.
effective marketing
Dulgod na ko.
is
Cellphone nga rofa ba nga recording na ipadol sa
Facebook, we
bangba.
can post our products or mga services na we want to offer. And best kasi most of the people nowadays are using social media. So, mawabi lang sa ilang newspaper, posible na maingganyo sila sa product or services, then mawabi lang sila. So, para nakapang social media.
Name. My name I am Jovelyn from Bachelor of Science Industrial Security Management.
So this is a question. So as a consumer, which form of marketing do you find most effective? Social media, traditional marketing, email or ads, and why?
So for me, I choose most effective na kuan is ang ads yun. Kaya for example, if sila man good ang ads, if makita ang mga tao like sa cellphone, mag-scroll sila, like mag-vlog sila ng mga product, mas more makuan sila ng mga more makakonsume sila kung sa mga product. So that's why mo palit sila para mag-like yung ano yung product. So most effective yun ang ads kay daghan mo itong parang nowadays is magamit sila ng cellphone din mag-scroll then tapos yun ka sa advertise mga TV then so makita nila na nila mga sa itong ka-advertise then makuan sila nga mo rin gigamit like for example kanang Samsung gigamit ni kanang dyan na sa motor so bakit ang gamitin sa mga tao dili sila most effective with ang ads.
Hello, I am Canela Amor Mendez. I am currently a recruiting student under marketing management. Marketing management.
So here the question. So as a business student, which form of marketing do you find most effective? Social media, traditional marketing, email or ads, and why?
Well, for me personally, I would say that traditional marketing are very traditional nowadays, and we should shift our focus more on social media marketing, since that is what is trendy and what is essential when it comes to finding or scouting a job. When we say social media marketing, it involves SEO, it involves content marketing, email marketing, and advertising. That is under the social media marketing. And I find it really essential compared to traditional marketing. I mean, don't get me wrong, traditional marketing is good, but when it comes to the best that you should be focusing on, focus on social media marketing.